Are you a student who is looking to earn $1,000 a month without affecting your studies? Then you're on the right platform, because in this video I'm going to share methods and techniques that help me earn this much amount as a student. And although I would say, like, I was a pretty good student, I had a pretty good CGPA, and that thing helped me winning one of the most prestigious scholarships in the world, Erasmus Mundus scholarship. Like, being a good student and also earning passive income is an important thing now, because I know so many students, it's very hard for them to pay their tuition fee, pay their rents, and manage the living expenses. They cannot depend on their parents because parents are getting older and things are getting complicated for them, and now they are under stress that how to earn, how to make their passive income that they can pay their university fee, they can pay their living expenses or their hostel or whatever. Let me tell you that earning money was never as easy as it is now in 2025. Yeah, we are almost in 2025. We have ChatGPT, we have everything. The world is completely transformed in last 5 years. At least in last 2 years, world has entirely changed. With the evolution of AI, there were many jobs that are not present now, but there are a plenty of jobs which are newly created. So you have to focus on those jobs. In this video, I'm going to discuss online methods that you can take as a student, and also the offline methods that you can pursue as a student. There are multiple ways. I would repeat again, there are plenty of ways that you can earn money in this world, but first we'll go through the online methods. And as a student, I suggest you guys to always go for online method. This provides you the flexibility and liberty to do your assignments, do your homework, prepare your exams. And let me assure you that each student, if you're studying anywhere in the world, you are studying in Bangladesh, you are studying in Pakistan, USA, Canada, France, anywhere in the world, you have a plenty of time as a student to invest on some skills, earn some passive income. I have been a student in Pakistan, in Portugal, in Spain, in Germany, and now in France. And I feel like France is the most hectic system. In France too, students are earning a lot. They do their homeworks, they pass their exams, they develop their technical skills as well, and they are also earning their passive income. So that's not an excuse that you don't have a time as a student. You have a lot of time. You just need to invest that time on a good skill that also rewards you money. So going into the online works, the best thing is you're freelancing. You can go to Fiverr, you can go to Upwork, you can go to Topline, you can go to anywhere. There are plenty of platforms that you can use. You can build your own website, but it's on later stage. I will also mention like how you can proceed and how you can expand your services skills as a student. So if we go a bit deep in the skills that you should offer as a student, you can offer content writing. For example, I'm running a company, Scholars Avenue. It's basically a platform where students can search for scholarships, and I always need some people who can write content for me. I always need people who can manage my website for me, who can do SEO for me, and all of these people I hired from my university who are currently students. In all of my posts, if you know me, I always mention like I want to hire students who are current students, who are bachelor students, and I mostly prefer those students who are studying on need-based scholarships or something like that, who actually needs and they are struggling to get jobs. So there are millions and billions of people like me who have their businesses and they want to hire people, and they're looking to hire students. You can offer your video editing services, because in this era everyone wants to become a content creator, and you can offer them this service. It's very easy to edit a short reel. You can offer video editing, you can offer your SEO technical skills, you can offer anything that you feel like you can offer. You can offer graphic designing. For example, you go through 20 projects and you offer each service for $50, and you offer 20 services per month. You are done with $1,000 a month as a student, which is a pretty good amount as a student to live anywhere in the world. Yeah, even if you are living in US, even if you are living in Denmark or anywhere in the world, as a student with $1,000 a month, you can easily survive. It's a bit controversial. For example, if you're living in New York, things will be different, but in most of the cases, if you're earning $1,000 a month, it's enough to survive as a student. Other than freelancing, the second best thing to do is tutoring, online tutoring. There are many platforms like Practically, Fiverr, Upwork, and other such websites. You can teach people languages, you can teach them English. For example, I know so many German students who want to learn English, and they are ready to pay $20 per hour. So I think it's a very good amount if you proceed in this way too. Online tutoring is becoming very popular in this era. For example, there are so Punjabi guys living in Canada, they also want to teach their kids Punjabi language. So if you know Punjabi, how to speak Punjabi, there's just one example. There are plenty of things that you can do. You are good at mathematics, you can teach students mathematics. For example, if you don't get order for first whole month, don't get demotivated, because I know one of my colleague, he didn't get any order for first 2 months, and now he's earning $10,000 a month, and he has a very good company, Russian Studios. You guys can go visit their services. If you guys would like to edit your videos, you guys can ask for their services too. So never ever demotivated if you don't get orders in first few days or months. There are millions of students like you, they are improving their gigs, they are improving their SEOs, and their gigs are ranking on the first page. So you should do the same. Learn everything from YouTube. YouTube is free, the world is free. In this era, I told you, it was never as easy to earn money like now. This is the best era to earn money. People are earning thousands of dollars, millions of dollars, and they're also working in BMW or anywhere in the big companies. Now I would like to insist on the third part, which is content creation. If you're a student and you would like to talk to people on camera, then it's very good opportunity in this era to become a content creator. You can never earn as an engineer as much as you can earn as a content creator. So I always suggest, if you can speak well and if you think that you can pursue this as a career, then it's a very good opportunity. You may be investing 1 year, 2 year, but at the later ages you will be getting a lot. Some of your colleagues who are doing content creation and they are earning a lot, and sometimes you are comparing yourself with them, but you don't realize that they are making content for so many years and now they are at good level. So if you keep on making content, you will of course will be at that level. And it's also possible to earn $10,000 a month. People are earning, especially in Pakistan, I know some of the content creators who are earning $30,000 per month. Yeah, one of the famous content creators in Pakistan, they're earning $30,000 a month. It's a very huge amount. It's just to motivate you guys that this is a very good career if you want to pursue. E-commerce is becoming very famous. And my fifth and the fourth point related to e-commerce, you can assist other people's as a virtual assistant. You can manage their online stores on e-commerce, like on Amazon, anywhere. Like there are so many platforms where you can manage people's store, and you will also be learning that how the products are listed, how to improve your PPC, how to improve your products, how supply chain happens. So these things will help you earn some money. And also in the practical world, there is a lot of knowledge that you can gain, and at the later stages you can invest this time in your own business with e-commerce. And also by reselling the old products on Amazon or anywhere, you can earn a lot of profit. For example, you have bought a phone, and now with some profit of 20 euros or 30 euros or 40 euros, you are reselling it on eBay or Amazon or anywhere. There are so many platforms, you can earn a small profit. So that's also some students are doing here in Europe and also in Pakistan. And so these are the best things that you can pursue in online. As offline, as a student, the best part is your teaching assistant or research assistant. And especially if you want to pursue your career in academic world as a researcher or as a teacher, then this path is a real path for you. You should go through research assistant, then you should do your masters with that professor, then you should do a PhD, and then you can become a professor. And as a professor, you get a lot of money. So offline, this is the best part. I don't suggest you guys to go offline in other jobs, like doing a part-time jobs at some coffee shop or anywhere at cafe. That's not going to pay you a lot, and also you will have to invest your more time, and also physically it's a lot of effort. So these are the main methods that you can use and earn money. If you feel that this video was helpful, just share your thoughts in the comments. And if you're trying to search for scholarships, search scholarships on scholaravenue.com. This is the best platform to search for scholarships. Stay tuned. See you in the next video.